Finding the right wireless charger can be a real challenge. There's so many options out there, but which one's actually worth your money? Well, the folks at Kuxiu sent over their new 3-in-1 X40 Turbo wireless charger for me to test out, and I've got to say, it's a serious contender for your desk setup or your bedside table. Let's start with what you get. It comes in this really nice travel pack, and inside you'll find a 40-watt power adapter and a high-quality braided USB-C to C cable. This isn't just some flimsy cable, it's built to deliver the full power to the charger, even under maximum load. Take that, Apple. And then, of course, you have to have the charger itself. The first thing I noticed, it is significantly thinner and sleeker than the previous model Kuxiu sent me. With Apple pushing the new wireless charging standards this year, Kuxiu clearly had to step up their game, and they have. The new version just fits into the Apple ecosystem seamlessly now. Whether you're rocking an iPhone 12 or the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max, this thing has your charging needs fully covered. I love the design. The silver CNC aluminum alloy isn't just for looks, it feels premium, and it dissipates heat incredibly well. And it'll blend into any setup, whether it's a minimal desk or a cluttered bedside table. The 3-in-1 part is exactly what it sounds like. It charges your essential Apple trifecta, your iPhone, your AirPods, and the watch, all at once, no more juggling cables. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the tech side of things. It is Qi 2.2 certified, delivering up to 25 watts to your phone with 5 watts each to the watch and the AirPods. But here's the smart part. It actively monitors your device's temperature, and you'll only get the full 25 watt blast if your phone is cool enough, which is a fantastic safety feature to have because it provides protection for your battery's long-term health. And thanks to that full aluminium body, heat dissipation is excellent, so you maintain those top speeds safely. It's also incredibly thoughtful for overnight charging, by the way. It automatically switches to a low-power battery-friendly mode while you sleep. Plus, it's completely silent. No annoying coil whinings or any fan speeding up, it's just quiet, reliable charging, which of course makes it great for your bedside. The build is super versatile too. It is an Acrobat, so you can fold and adjust it into different angles, and if you only wish to charge your phone, you can collapse the whole thing down into a super tiny package and get the job done. Now, a little bit about those magnets. They are really strong and the phone isn't going anywhere. But the trade-off is that it's a two-handed job to take the phone off. But for me, it's a worthy compromise for a rock-solid connection. And I can personally vouch for its longevity, by the way. The last time Kuxiu sent their charger to me, it has been in daily use for months and has been flawless. I'm yet to experience any heat, any slowdown in charging speeds, or anything that would make it unreliable. So, if you're interested in this, I've got links in the description down below, and it's already on sale down to £61 from the $77 you get it for originally, but you can get an extra 10% off using the code down in the description as well. So if you want to stay connected on reviews on gear that's actually worth your money, be sure to hit the subscribe button. It's the best way to make sure that you don't miss what's next, and honestly, it gives me a stronger charge than this charger ever could. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys later.